Good morning, students. In a previous class we have learned the unit 4. What we learned in the unit 4? Patterns. I hope you all understood that previous class. Okay, today we are going to learn about the unit 5. Unit 5. Okay, so unit 5, the topic name as the algebraic expression and factorization. Okay, in class 7th we have learned about the algebraic expression, constant and variables, and then addition and subtraction of an algebraic expression. Okay, let us recall what we have learned so far. Okay, right. The first one is algebraic expression. What is the definition of algebraic expression? The combination of constant, variables, and together with the basic operations, the fundamental operations. Okay, see the first one, algebraic expression. So what is that definition? Combination of constant and variables. Another one of the name for variable, literal numbers. Okay, already have learned the previous year. What is that? Variables means literal numbers. We have to find out the unknown value. Okay, unknown value is called the variables or literal numbers. So variables. Okay, connected by basic fundamental operations. Basic fundamental operations is known as algebraic expression. Okay, say some example for algebraic expressions. 3x example. Okay, 3x plus 2. Okay, so this is one of the variable is a real numbers. Okay, and this is another real number here operation. So combination of constant variables connected by a basic fundamental operations. Basic or fundamental operations, both having the same meaning. Basic fundamental. Okay, so basic operations. Okay, another one of the example, 3x squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay, these are the example for the algebraic expression. Okay, now move to the next one, constant. What is the meaning of constant? All the real numbers are called the constant. All the real numbers. So constant. All the real numbers. Real numbers are called constant. Okay, all the real numbers are called the constant. So example 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the constants. The constants means they have their fixed value. Okay, they have their fixed values. Okay, it's not changed. 2 means the numerical value was 2. 3 means 3. Okay, right. And next one is variables. Variables are literal numbers. Variables are literal numbers. Are literal numbers. Okay, so variables are literal numbers. Let's take a various. So unknown values are called variables. Okay, variables. It is denoted by the alphabets, is it? Denoted by alphabets X, Y, Z. Okay, it is denoted by X, Y, Z, and then the values are various. Okay, they can take various values, various numerical values. Okay, numbers only we have considered. Okay, numerical values. Okay, that's it. So examples: X, Y, all the alphabets, small letters we have used for the variables. Okay, variables we have used the all the small letters of alphabets X, Y, Z, A, B. Okay, so we have using all the alphabets, small letter alphabets used for the variables are literal numbers. And then what we learn? The terms. What is the meaning of term? Term means two algebraic expressions divide by any one of the operation, plus, minus, or multiplication. Okay, this is called the terms. These are called the terms. Okay, so terms means the parts of an algebraic expression. Okay, parts of an algebraic expression separated by plus or minus sign. Signs are called plus or minus are called by terms, are called its terms. Okay, example 5a. It has only one term. It has only one term. Okay, and next one 3a plus 2. Okay, how many terms? One term, two term. So it has two terms. It has two terms. Okay, and next what we learn? Types of algebraic expression. Types of algebraic expression. So next one, Types of algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Say based on the terms. Based on terms. Okay. So first one, monomial. First one is monomial. What is the meaning of monomial? An algebraic expression has only one term. Okay. And algebraic expression has only one term. Okay, only one term is called monomial. Example 5a. Okay, 5a or 6a are called the monomial. Okay, based on the terms. Okay, it's very very important. Based on the degree, have a different names. Okay, and next one is binomial. So binomial means an algebraic expression has two terms. Okay, it's called the binomial. Example 5a plus 2. Okay, and then third one, trinomial. Trinomial and algebraic. Already this one I learned well in the 7th standard, is it? Expression has three terms. Example 3x squared plus 3x plus 2. 1, 2, 3. How many terms are there? 3 terms. It's called the trinomial. And final one, polynomial. Polynomial means an algebraic expression one or more. Okay, more than one. Okay, an algebraic expression. An algebraic expression has more than one term. Okay, ஒரு term இருந்துச்சு ஒண்ணுக்கு மேல வந்துச்சுனாலே அது என்னன்னு சொல்லலாம் polynomial. Okay, term is called the polynomial. Example x cube plus 2xy plus x square plus 2. So one of the example for the polynomial. And next we have learned the degrees of an algebraic expression. What is the definition of degrees of algebraic expression? The highest power of the variable is called the degrees of a algebraic expression. Highest power. Okay, highest power or highest exponent of the variable. Highest degree of the variable. Degree or power or exponent index are the same meaning. Okay, so the highest power of the variable udeya power la which one is highest, that is considered the given algebraic expression of the degree of an algebraic expression. Degree of an algebraic expression. Degree of an algebraic expression. Okay, so degree of an algebraic expression means if so that I need not write if highest power of highest highest power of the variable, power of the variable is called degree of an algebraic expression. So what is the definition of degree of an algebraic expression? A highest power of the variable is called the degree of an algebraic expression. Example, x square plus xy square plus 2. Okay, so what is the degree of the highest degree of an algebraic expression? What is that? The highest power, so of the variable. So the variable power is 2, here the variable power is 1, here the variable power is 2. Okay, here is constant term. So highest power of the variable. So variable here 2, here 2 variables are there. The sum of this power is 3. The sum of the variable, the power is 3. So which one is highest power? This one. So the definition for the degree of an algebraic expression is a highest power of a variable. So the highest power of the variable is 3. So therefore the algebraic the degree of an algebraic expression is 3. The expression oda degree enaduma 3. Okay, that's it. And next one of that like term and unlike term. Like and unlike term. What is the definition of like term? Like term means the same literal variables, same literal numbers, same variables are same literal numbers, same literal numbers is called the like. Otherwise unlike terms. Okay, otherwise is called the unlike terms. Okay, the terms having terms having the same literal factors numbers. Okay, factors are called like terms. Like terms. Otherwise they are called unlike terms. Okay, so example, like terms example 3x 4x, the same literal variables, literal numbers. Okay, literal numbers. And next one unlike, these are the like terms. Okay, unlike times 3y and 4x, unlike terms. Okay, you understand? And next one, addition and subtraction of an algebraic expression. Addition and subtraction. Okay, of an algebraic expression. See the example 1. Example 1. Add 3a squared minus 4a plus 1. 4a plus 1 and next one minus 4a squared. 4a squared plus 6a plus 7 and one more algebraic expression is 2a squared minus 2a minus 2 minus 2. Okay. So we have used two methods. One is column method, another one is horizontal method. Okay. So first I will do the horizontal method. Okay. Horizontal method. The first one is horizontal method. Right. This also we have learned in the previous class. So first we have to arrange in the like terms. Arrange the like terms. So arrange the like terms in the horizontally. Okay. So from the first algebraic expression I have write 3a square and next one is minus 4a square and third from the third expression plus 2a squared. These are the like terms, is it? The same literal numbers, a squared, a squared, a squared, same variables. And next add. So simple as addition. Okay. So next we have arranged the next like terms. So what are there? Minus 4a and from the second one plus 6a plus third one minus 2a and next constant term. What are the numbers? 1 plus 7 minus 2. 1 plus 7 minus 2. And now simplify. So these are the positive values. Add the positive values first. Okay. So 2 plus 3, what we get? 5a squared. 5a squared minus 4a squared. Here two numbers are negative. So first add the two negative numbers. So minus, both having the same sign. What we do? Add and put the same sign. Add and put the same sign. So minus 6a plus 6a. And next one plus 1 plus 7, 8. 8 minus 2. Now simplify these values. 5a squared minus 4a squared, a squared. Here subtract, we get the 0. 8 minus 2 plus 6. So answer is a squared plus 6 is the answer for this problem. This is a horizontal method. And next one is column method. Column method. First arrange in the columns. Okay. So 3a squared minus 4a plus 1 and next one minus 4a squared plus 6a plus 7. This is a row. Okay. The first row, second row. The column method means column. So vertically you have to write the algebraic expressions. Okay. So next one 2a square minus 2a minus 2. Okay. As usual calculation. So 1 plus 7, 8. 8 minus 2 plus 6. Here minus 4a. Minus 4a plus 6a. What we get? Plus 2a. Plus 2a minus 2a will be 0. Okay. Plus here a squared 3 plus 2, 5. 5 minus 4, 1. So minus 4, here positive value is plus. 3 plus 2 plus 5. So subtract, we get the result is 1. The greater number sign is positive. Greater number sign is positive. So plus 1. So answer is a squared plus 6. A squared plus 6. You have used any one of the method. Okay. If in question specified using the horizontal method or column method, you should follow that method. Otherwise, which one you have failed easily, you will do that method. Okay. Next one of the example. Two. Okay. Subtract minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 2 from 3x squared minus 2x plus 8. Okay. So subtract. So here also we have using this horizontal method and column method. Okay. Now subtracted the algebraic expression minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 2 from this algebraic expression. So from means idhula irundhu idu. Okay. So solution (3x squared minus 2x plus 8). Okay. Minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 2. Okay. Now arrange the like terms. Okay. So 3x squared. So which operation is here? Minus. Okay. So you will first of all multiply each term by minus. After you will arrange the like term. Okay. You have easy to do the calculations. Okay. So minus into minus plus. So plus 2x squared minus into minus plus. Minus into minus, minus into minus plus 5x minus into plus minus 2. Minus 2. Now arrange the like terms. So 3x squared plus 2x squared minus 2x plus 5x. Okay. And the constant term 8 plus 2. So add this value is 5x squared. So two different sign will come. What we do? Subtract and put the greater number sign. Subtract plus 3. Greater number sign is positive. So plus 3x plus 10. So that's the answer. Okay. Column method means 3x squared from this one. Is it? So x squared minus 2x plus 8 minus 2 minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 2. Okay. Now multiply each term by minus. Okay. So minus will be changed plus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. We have considered the bracket signs only. Is it? So minus வச்சு ஒவ்வொரு சைனையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிட்டோம். So multiply பண்ணதுல நமக்கு என்ன கிடைச்சிருக்குமா? Plus plus minus. That only we have considered to the calculation. Okay. So 8 minus 2 plus 6. Here minus plus. Two different sign will come. What we do? Subtract and put the greater number sign. So subtract 3x. The greater number is positive. Here 3x squared. Here also plus 2x squared. So 5x squared. The answer was having the same. So here minus 6 is it? Minus 2. So minus 8 minus 2 is plus 6. Okay ma? Here minus sign is there. Okay. In this place write plus. So wrong. Here minus 2 only there. So 8 minus 2 plus 6. Both having the same value. Okay. So these are all we have learned in the last year. Okay, now see the revision exercise. Revision exercise. First, classify the following algebraic expression as a monomial, binomial, trinomial. Okay, that is a homework. Everyone you know well. Okay, so an algebraic expression has only one term, is monomial, 2 terms is binomial, 3 terms is a trinomial, and more than one term is called the polynomials. Okay, you will write easily. And then next, write the degree of the following polynomials. Okay, so I will do the first 2 are the homework. First 2 are the homework. C and D, now do it. Revision exercise. Second problem, C. 4x power 5 minus 3x cube y plus 3x y cube plus 8y power 5. Y power 5. So, what is asking? Write the degree of the following polynomial. So, what is the definition of the degree of the polynomial or degree of an algebraic expression? The highest power of the variable. Okay, the highest power of the variable is 5 here. Here 3 plus 1. Okay, the variable is 4. The highest power is here also 4. Okay, so which one is highest power? 5. Okay, so answer is 5. Answer is 5. And next one, D. X power 3 y power 3 minus 8x squared y squared plus 7xy plus 8. So highest power. So here 6, now 4, 2. The highest power of the polynomial or algebraic expression is 6. Okay, which one is highest? 6 is a highest power of an algebraic expression. Okay, and third, which of the following algebraic expression of like terms? Okay, so you will do the homework. Okay, and next to fourth one, add the following. A and B are the homework. Okay, I will move to the C problem. 5x cube minus 6x plus 2x squared plus 7 minus 3x cube plus 6x squared plus 2 and x squared plus 2x plus 4 minus 4 minus 4. Okay, any one of the method we have followed. I have using the horizontal method. Okay, arrange all the algebraic expression in the horizontally. So 5x cube minus 6x plus 2x square plus 7 plus minus 3x cube. Okay, plus 6x square plus 2 plus x square plus 2x minus 4. So first arrange the, what is the highest power here? Cube. So first arrange the like terms, the power of 3. Okay, so 5x power 3 minus 3x cube, and next one is square. So 2x square plus 6x square plus x square, and next 6 minus 6x here plus 2x, and constant term 7 plus 2 minus 4 minus 4. So simplify the x cube term first. Okay, x cube term. So 5 cube minus 3 cube is 2x cube. And next simplify the square terms. So all the values in the positive, is it? All the values in positive. So add all the numbers 2, 8, 9. So 9x squared. And next 6x and 2x. So the two different signs will come. Subtract and put the greater number sign. So minus 4x plus 7 plus 2 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. The greater number sign is positive. So answer is 2x cube plus 9x square minus 4x plus 5 plus 5. Okay. So remaining problems homework, and then fifth problem, subtraction. This is the fourth problem. Okay. So fifth one, subtract. Sub is given. First two is homework. See one now doing. So 20 minus 3x plus 4x squared minus x cube from x cube minus x squared plus 2x minus 19. Solution: x cube minus x squared plus 2x minus 19. Okay, minus 20 minus 3x plus 4x squared minus x cube minus x cube. So now arrange the like terms. Before of subtraction, and what we do, multiply the negative sign from each terms. Okay, so x cube minus x square plus 2x minus 19 minus into 20 minus 20 minus into minus plus 3x minus into plus minus 4x square, and then minus into minus plus x cube plus x cube. Now arrange the like terms. So x cube plus x cube, and extension of that x square term minus x square minus 4x square, and then 2x term plus 2x plus 3x minus 19 minus 20. Okay, arrange all the like terms. So both having the same sign. So add and put the same sign. How many times? 2 times. 2x cube. Okay, x cube plus x cube, 2x cube minus, both having the same sign. So minus 4 plus 1, 5. 5x squared. And next x term 5x. And then minus 39. That's it. Okay. I hope you all understood the today concept. What we learned today? Today we have learned about the algebraic expression, constant, variables, terms, and degrees of algebraic expression, like term, unlike term, and addition and subtraction of the algebraic expression. Okay, and also you have see the revision exercise. So homework right on that side. Everyone should complete. Revision exercise. First, second, AB, third, fourth, AB, fifth also AB. Everyone should complete the homework and send it to the Johor app. Thank you, students.